A bullroarer has one of the best ratios of effort to fun of any wood project. Just about any size and shape will make sound. In this video, I'll be making two different designs, one with 3/8 inch walnut and another with 1/4 inch cherry. I'll mark the shapes on the boards and cut them out. The walnut will have pointed ends, and the cherry will have rounded ends. So what even is a bullroarer? Bullroarer, yeah. It's just a piece of wood with a length of string tied to it. Swinging it in circles causes the wood piece to spin around and produce a low-frequency, pulsing, buzzing sort of sound that can travel for long distances. They've been used for many millennia around the entire world for communication, rituals, or just for the sake of making sound. After everything's cut out, I'll smooth out the profiles. The walnut one is going to have tapered edges, so I'll mark a few lines to help keep things sort of symmetrical, and use a chisel to make the rough shape. Then I'll sand everything. The cherry one does not have tapered edges. I'm just rounding them a little bit with sandpaper. Once they're both sanded, I'll drill a hole in one end for the cord and get rid of the sharp edge with a little filing. To make things easier to hold on to when being swung at full length, I'm going to make some simple handles by drilling a hole through a dowel. These edges get softened too. Now I can wipe on some oil. Then I'll tie on a length of cord. There may be better ways, but I've found that a taut line hitch seems to work pretty well. And these bullroarers are done. Time to test them out. And when I was out bullroaring, I had to stop to admire the efforts of some of the original woodworkers of the world. I'm clearly no expert at this, but they can be swung vertically at your side or horizontally over your head. Variables such as speed of rotation and the length of cord will affect the sound. Here's the one with tapered edges and pointed ends. And here's the slightly thinner one with square edges and rounded ends.